In this video, we are going to look at how to create groups in your Canvas course. To create a group in your Canvas course, you're going to want to look for the navigation button that says People. Hopefully it's grayed out because it's hidden from your students, but if not, that's fine. You can click on this People button. And then the first thing you have to do is you have to create something called a group set. A group set is basically just a way of organizing the groups that you have. So for example, in your class you might have reading groups, you might have groups for projects, you might have table groups, whatever, and that's what you're talking about for your group set. So maybe my first group set is going to be called reading groups. So I press this big blue button at the top that says group set. And now I can create my group set. So in this case, I'm going to call mine reading groups. And I'm going to hit save. Now you'll notice there's a tab up here called reading groups. And I can start creating my different groups within this reading group set. So now I'm going to press this gray button called group. Maybe my first reading group is the red group. And then I might have the green group. And I might have the blue group. Maybe those are my groups. Now, I don't have any students in this course because this is a sandbox course, but you would have students in your course, and all you would have to do is just click and drag students into these groups. And now they're put into groups by reading groups. Again, if you want to do another project or another activity based on their tables, you can make a new group set and call this table groups. Hit save. And now you'll make a new group, maybe table 1, save, table 2, hit save, and so on and so forth. And again, you will have students listed here, and you just click and drag the students into the table groups. Now you might be saying, what's the purpose behind this? Well, let's say you wanted to assign a particular Canvas announcement to just one group of students. So let's say in your reading groups, let's say you wanted to have an announcement for your blue reading group. Well, what you do is you click on this little down arrow next to the gear and go to their group page. And once you're there, you're able to create an announcement for the group. You can tell them something important. You can start a discussion for your group. So maybe you just want the folks in this particular group to participate in a discussion. That's an easy way to do it. All right. Now you can switch groups easily by going here where it says switch group. Maybe you want to go to your green group instead. And again, you can post an announcement, so on and so forth. To go back to your course, you press your link for your course. And again, to get to all of this, you just click on the People button on the left-hand side. Go to your group set you'd like to look at. Maybe this time you want to go to your table groups. And you press the down arrow next to your gear for the group to visit their group homepage.